See this example. Find the center of the circle passing through the points 6, minus 6, 3, minus 7 and 3, 3. Okay. Here we have to find the center of the circle. Let this point is center of the circle Px, y. Okay. Let Px, y be the center of the circle passing through the points. Let A 6, minus 6, B 3, minus 7, C 3, 3. Okay. Here we have to find the point P. Okay. Then see AP. AP is radius of the circle and BP. BP is also radius of the circle. CP. CP also radius of the circle. Okay. Then AP. AP equal to BP. BP equal to CP. Radius of the circle. Okay. We know distance between any two points is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We know this formula. Okay. First AP equal to BP. Root over x minus 6 whole square, x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equal to BP. BP equal to root over x minus 3. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square. Okay. Squaring on both sides. Square root get cancelled. Remaining x minus 6 whole square plus y minus into minus plus 6 whole square. Okay. X minus 3 whole square plus y plus 7 whole square. Minus into minus plus. This is like a minus b whole square. X square. 6 square is 36. 2 into ab. 2 into x into 6. 12x. This is like a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. X minus 3 whole square is x square plus 9 minus 6x. Y plus 7 whole square, y square. 7 square is 49. 2 7s are 14. 14y. Okay. Here x square get cancelled. Y square cancel. Write x and y terms on one side. 12x plus 12y minus 6x comes to this side plus 6x plus 14y comes to this side minus 14y equal to 9 plus 49. 58. 36 plus 36 plus 72 comes to this side minus 72. Okay. Minus 12 plus 6 minus 6x plus 12 minus 14 minus 2y equal to 58 minus 72 minus 14. Here minus 2 is common. 3x minus y equal to minus 14. Minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled. This is plus 5. Okay. 2 7 times. Therefore, we get equation 3x plus y equal to 7. Next take AP equal to CP. AP equal to CP. AP equal to CP. root over AP equal to root over x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. CP equal to square root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Squaring on both sides. Square root get cancelled. Remaining x minus 6 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. X minus 6 whole square is x square plus 36 minus 12x. Y plus 6 whole square is y square plus 36 plus 12y. X minus 3 whole square is x square plus 9 minus 6x. Y minus 3 whole square is y square plus 9 minus 6y. Here y square get cancelled. X square cancel. Okay. Write x and y terms on one side. Minus 12x plus 12y plus 6x plus 6y equal to 9 plus 9, 18. 36 plus 36 plus 72 comes to this side minus 72. Okay. 18 minus 72 minus 54. 12 minus 12 plus 6 minus 6x plus 12 plus 6 plus 18y. Okay. Here minus 6 is common. X minus 3y equal to minus 54. Minus get cancelled. 6 9 times. Here we get the equation x minus 3y equal to 9. Okay. This is equation 2. This is equation 1. Solve 1 and 2 equations. Here equalize the coefficients of x. Okay. 2 into equation 2 multiplied with 3. Okay. This is 3 into x. 3x. 3 into 3 minus 9y. 3 9s are 27. Okay. First equation 3x plus 9. 3x plus y equal to 7. Let this is equation 3. Equation 4. Subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. Plus become minus, minus become plus become minus. Okay. Plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled. Plus y plus 9y plus 10y equal to 7 minus 27 minus 20. Here y equal to minus 20 by 10. Y value. Therefore y equal to minus 2. Okay. Y equal to minus 2. Substitute in the equation 1. Equation 1 is 3x plus y equal to 7. 3x plus y value. Y we get minus 2. 3x equal to 7 plus 2. X equal to 7 plus 2. 9. 9 by 3. Therefore x equal to 3. Hence the center is center of the circle P. X coordinate 3. Y coordinate minus 2.